All right, people. Man, old Champ been busy. Trying to tell you. Look at that. Got them graphics on that thing, man. Boy, that song look good. I'm working hard, ain't Champ?
Yep.
We didn't wrinkle none of them. It was rough, though. Man, what finna happen? My wife finna come home, hear grandma, and say, hey, what you done today? I'm gonna say anything I want to do. What you talking about? Chance, go hide that motorcycle there in the shop, so Gigi don't see it. But anyway, like I said, I run things around here. I don't play, so I don't care what she says. She ain't got nothing to say. But anyway, y'all have a great afternoon. Me and Chance we're gonna go ride. We're gonna do something with this motorcycle. But anyway, y'all have a great day, great Thursday.